In the past few years, we have all witnessed the evolution of videos on the internet. On an average, 72 hours of video content is produced every 60 seconds just on YouTube. Now, video drives a 157% increase in organic traffic from SERPs. Today, we can all agree that videos are the go-to thing when it comes to market anything online. But with so much video content being produced every single minute online, it's extremely important to stand out from your competition. Hence, breathtaking HD videos production becomes a necessity to lead and dominate the market. And to produce amazing, breathtaking, high-def videos, you have three options. Option number one is shoot your own high-def videos using professional cameras and lenses, and even if you have all that equipment and skill, the chances of being successful close to zero. Option two, buy it from popular sites like VideoBlocks, Shutterstock, etc. But paying $79 per HD video? We don't think that's a good or smart choice. But option three, the most recommended choice for all marketers, StockNation, the largest full HD video stock collection, software as a service app where you can search and download from over 25,000 HD videos and use it for your own or for your clients' projects. StockNation membership works in, three easy steps. The first, search your desired video using a keyword. Next, preview your video. And third, download your preferred size in one click. Nothing to download, nothing to save. Access anywhere from mobile or desktop on cloud. If you take action today, you'll be getting 25,000 plus high-definition videos, 500 plus motion backgrounds, 2,500 plus bonus HD videos, and today you could also get a commercial license to use StockNation videos in unlimited clients' projects. Not just this, you will also be covered with StockNation T, the ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So investing in StockNation is 100% safe and risk-free. However, we cannot be certain how long we'll be able to sell StockNation at this low one-time price, and hence we suggest you secure your early bird license today.